How to make someone an admin on Facebook. Step 1. Navigate to your Facebook business or author page. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account and that you're the admin of the page you want to add an admin to. Then, proceed to your page. If you have multiple pages, make sure the right page is selected. Step 2. Click on Settings. Once you're on your page, click on the Settings button located at the top of the page. It is near the Notifications and Help Center buttons. Step 3. Select Page Roles from the left-hand side menu. After clicking on Settings, select Page Roles, which can be found on the left-hand side menu. A new page will open up with a list of existing page roles. Step 4. Choose the person to be added as an admin. To add an admin to your Facebook page, roll down to the Assign a New Page Role section. Type in the name of the person you want to add as an admin and select the correct person from the auto-suggestions. Step 5. Choose the role to be assigned to the user. After selecting the correct person for the admin role, you will then have to choose the role from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the name. Click the link to learn more.